children, how are you all? I hope all are fine. Yes, in our previous class we have discussed this topic number 4, test of divisibility. In that we have already seen the rules of divisibilities, the 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, 10, 11 and 8. Okay, and in this class we are going to start the next rule, that is divisibility by 12. This rule is saying that a number is divisible by 12. If any number is there, that number is divisible by 12 means if the number is divisible by both 3 and 4. We know that already, we know that divisibility by 3 and divisibility by 4. These rules we have seen. Is divisible by 3. Is divisible by 3 means what? The sum of its digits is divisible by 3. That is, the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. And you know that already divisibility rule by 4. Divisibility by 4. Yes, we will check their 1 and 10's place. 1's and 10's place. Suppose example 5164. In this their 1's and 10's place, that is 64. This 64 is divisible by 4 means that number is divisible by 4. 5164. Yes, already we have discussed this divisibility by 3 and divisibility by 4. Yes, divisibility by 12 rule is saying that if the number, suppose I will take one example, divisibility by 3 rule. If this number is divisible by 3 is there or not, we will check. First of all, I have to take their sum of its digits. 4 plus 8 plus 0 plus 5 plus 6. Then 4 plus 8, 12, 12 plus 0, 12, 12 plus 5, 17, 17 plus 6, 23. So my dear, 23 is not divisible by 3. Therefore, this 48,056 is also not divisible by 12. If in any one number it is not divisible by 3, or if it is not divisible by 4, means that totally we will say the result that number is also not divisible by 12. Okay, this is the rule of divisibility by 12. Next we are going to discuss the next one, rule or divisibility test, that is divisibility by what? 15. This one we can discuss. This now we will discuss here. Yes, here in the divisibility by 15, what statement or what is the rule of this divisibility by 15? We have to continue. Yes, after this divisibility by 12, we have one more rule is there here, divisibility by 15. Yes, now we will check their rule. Okay. Yes, this divisibility by 15 is saying that if a number is divisible by what? 15, if the number is divisible by both 3 and 5. Okay, this 3 and 5. If in this any one number or in any one divisibility by 3 or divisibility by 5, that number is not divisible by 5, either that number is not divisible by 3, totally we can say that number is also not divisible by 15. Okay, we will study through the one example. Yes, example is 2894. 2894. We know that already divisibility by 3 and divisibility by 5 rules. Okay. First of all, this number is divisible by 3 or not. We can check with the help of that divisibility by 3 rule. Okay. First of all, what to do? We have to add, we have to find the sum of its digits. 2 plus 8 plus 9 plus 4. Okay. 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. 19 plus 4, 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay, 19 plus 4 is again 23. So this 23 is divisible by 3? No. So this 23 is not divisible by 3. Okay, that totally we have to say this 2894 is also not divisible by 15. And again you have to check, is it divisible by 5 or not? We know that divisibility rule of 5. We know what? Yes, in the last digit either 0 or 5 number. In the last digit 0, either last digit 0 or 5 is there, means that number is divisible by 5. This is the rule of divisibility by 5. Yes, but in the given example, the last digit is 4. 5 is not there and also 0 is also not there. That's why this 2894 is also not divisible by 5. Understood? Yes, we have to go for study the next one, that is last one, your divisibility by 18. Yes, any one number is there, if that number is divisible by 18 or not. How to check? We have one rule, we can study that and learn the divisibility by 18. Yes children, the rule is saying that a number is divisible by 18 means if the number is divisible by both 9 and 2. We know that already these divisibility by 9 and divisibility by 2 rules. Already in our previous classes we can already studied these rules. Okay, just we can recall the divisibility by 2 and divisibility by 9 rules. Okay, divisibility by 2 rule is saying that if a number is divisible by 2, in that last digit, their last digit means that is their ones place. Last digit, either you can say their last ones place. Last digit, not digits, is either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. If these numbers are there in the last digit, means that number is completely divisible by 2. That is the rule of divisibility by 2. The next rule we know that divisibility by 9. Divisibility by 9. Yes children, we know that the rule of 9. Yes, the sum of its digits. the given number sum of its digits are divisible by 9 means this is the rule, divisible by 9, sum of its digits are divisible by 9. Okay, this is the rule of divisible by 9. Then if divisibility by 18 means these two rules are applicable, or these rules are applicable for this divisibility by 18. Yes, I'll give an example now. Yes, example. Look at the example. First of all, 17,536. Yes, look at this example. It is a 5-digit number. In this, the last digit, if I check, means there is a 6. So 6 is there, means this number is this 17,536 is divisible by 2 and is divisible by 2. This given number is 17,536. This number is divisible by 2 because of their last digit. 6 is there, means that is definitely divisible by 2. But what about divisibility by 9? Yes, we have to check. We know that the sum of its digit means we can add all the digits. First of all, 1 plus 7 plus 5 plus 3 plus 6. The sum of its digit. Yes, what is the sum of these digits? 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 3, 16. 16 plus 6, 22. Okay. So, my dear, this 22 is divisible by 9? No. So, 22 is not divisible by 9. Is not divisible by 9. So, that number is divisible by 2 and not divisible by 9 means that is not divisible by 18. Okay. We have discussed in this class, we have studied today divisibility by 12 and divisibility by 15, and the last one is divisibility by 18 rules with some examples. And you do also take some more examples and study the rules of divisibilities. Okay. In the next class we will meet you. Until then, watch the video and practice the exercises. Okay. Take care. Bye bye.